I am Swami Vishwanand, Mother of the World. Today, early in the morning, we meet with God from 4 to 5 a.m. God now every day calling us a special meeting and giving training and some talks for benefit of all humankind. After this meeting, after this talk, God always gives us a special duty for send this message to the benefit of all human beings in the world. Today, some precious guidance from God for entire humanity, for saving this beautiful world and all beautiful creations, for providing happiness to all living beings in the world. These are as first, creator of the world is one and supreme father, owner of all creations. Second is our relationship with God is very lovely, and we all are very lovely children for God. So, He is our lovely Father for all of us. So, we must love Him too. Third one is God has given to human beings some great precious gifts like as human bodies, nature, natural products, and provides to all living beings without any charging bills, and never God nature demands from human beings. God has, fourth one is, God has not marks any boundaries on the earth for living beings. Insects, birds, animals are freely enjoy their lives in entire the world. Fifth is, but unfortunately, mankind has not followed these rules of nature and sometimes misuse his mind and intellect and free wills for utilized them. Sixth one is, by misusing these precious gift, mankind is living in divided world among 220 countries in this world. Mankind has seen the two times world war, and lakhs of people have killed during these unlucky wars. Eighth one is, as per God's plans, from time to time, God has sent many his lovely messengers for set right the human societies and re-established for happiness of all living beings in the world. Ninth is, after lakhs of years, human civilization have reached at present stage of science and technology have helping for mankind. Tenth is, so as per God's plan, many spiritual organizations and social services providers NGOs have now united and come on the beautiful platforms, namely Planets Union platform. This Planets Union platform has built up by God, Supreme Power, Supreme Father, owner of the world. He has built this beautiful Planets Union. Filling the divine for purpose of this Planets Union are filling the divine God's name, love in all hearts of mankind, and unification of the mankind. 11th is by this Planets Union platform, we 10 crores people as a peace loving devotees wants to provide safety, peace, divine development of all souls so that all souls can meet to the God. 12th one is for fulfill these goals. Now we 10 crores peace loving devotee from 220 all countries of the world request prayers to US, America and China. Please do not wars among you. Solve your any problems by table talks. For India and China government, please solve your borders problems by table talks and not do any wars among you. Solve your problems by table talks. For India and Nepal, please solve your problems, border problems by table talks and maintains your sweet relationships which have been coming from last many years. For India and Pakistan, please solve your any problems by table talks and establish your close relationship which were before 1947 as one beautiful family. 13. God has formed Planets Union for happiness of all living beings in the world and appointed me founder chairman of this Planets Union and designated me as mother of the world. So God has given me and 10 crores peace loving peoples, devotees. God has given some duties on all of us. These duties are we can see as under. First is we will provide freedom and happiness to all living beings by stopping wars in this beautiful world. We will provide guidance how can problems, issues will settle among all countries. Our services will be free of cost. We will travel across the world to convince governments for no wars and start table talks by our guidance. We will remain present during table talks in the critical position of many countries in the world. Anybody can give their experience, give their views here by contact me. My contact number, my mobile number is also a WhatsApp number is as under as per India code +919898375375. Again I am repeating my mobile number as WhatsApp number as per Indian code +919898375375. I am praying here for benefit of all mankind must be remain. Hey God, O Allah, O Paramatma, all mankind must be remain healthy, wealthy, happiness by grace of God, by grace of you, Allah, Paramatma, Rab. I am always wishing the all happiness and progress of all mankind in the world. So, I am Swami Vishwanand as a mother of the world and founder chairman of Planets Union. Now, request you all, please send your views and messages, your experience to this Planets Union platform. I will convey your experience to entire world. I am also request we 10 crores peoples are also request together to all mankind. Please come as early as possible united on the Planets Union platform so that we can solve all problems of the world as early as possible, and we will transformation of this world from unhappy world to happy world. We will transform this world from hell to heaven, and we will achieve the goals of God. For after these goals, God has created this beautiful world. So welcome you all together. God bless, God bless, God bless. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.